What up, y'all? Nishan Blair here. Let's jump right in. Some very interesting information we got here from Tesla Q4 earnings call. To start things off, the Model Y became the best-selling car in 2023, just like Tesla predicted years ago, and they delivered 1.2 million vehicles for the year, making it the best-selling vehicle of any kind. Not battery electric vehicle, not just in that category. They're the best-selling vehicle of any kind. Over engines, batteries, doesn't matter. They basically predicted this years ago, and it came true. So also, Tesla and their Fremont factory out in California, I believe they bought it from Toyota, and when it was owned by them, they produced about 430,000 cars for the year. That was probably the highest they produced. And now that Tesla owns it, out of the same factory, they're producing 560,000 automobiles out of that same factory. So they know how to basically use the same space and pump out more automobiles. Like, I don't know how they're doing it, but that's what innovation is about. And Tesla is pretty much one of the best companies when it comes to innovation and figuring out how to use space a lot better and save time. Also, the new refreshed Model 3 in Shanghai has ramped up to full speed of production in less than 2 months. And that is unheard of. Whenever a new car company puts a new automobile on the production line, they never ramp up to full speed in less than 2 months. It may take a couple months or maybe 5, 7, 8 months, but Tesla has done it in less than 2 months. This is a big deal. A lot of people keep turning up their head and saying, oh, well, it doesn't matter. But people keep missing the, forest for the trees here. Like, Tesla's doing a lot of groundbreaking stuff, but people just don't really seem to give a crap. But that's what I'm here to just tell the people who don't know. Hey. Also, Tesla, their energy sector is growing. They are going to be doing energy, not just cars. I'm talking about like battery energy for buildings, homes. Their energy sector is growing rapidly. And even Elon Musk himself said that the energy business will surpass the car business that they have down the line, or not too long from now, actually. Also, right now, Tesla is in a growth phase for two different things. Their new Model Y, the refreshed Model Y, is going to be coming out soon, where it's going to be like the new Model 3, where there's going to be a TV in the front and in the back area, and also just a whole bunch of new updates to the car where it just pretty much surpasses the old one, like night and day. And also, they're working on their next generation vehicle, which will be coming into production, I believe, at the end of 2025. But also, a little fun fact about around 90% of buyers in 2023 never owned a Tesla before. So there's a lot of new people who are coming to the electric vehicle market, but a lot of them are going specifically to Tesla because Tesla seems to be the company that has been doing only battery electric vehicles since like they started, pretty much. Like, they weren't doing engines. So they are the leaders in battery production vehicles, and every other company is just trying to follow suit. But in reality, that's all they know. Like, other companies just do engines, and they're implementing to do batteries. They might have done hybrids, but it's not the same technology. This is like night and day. I'm telling you, a lot of people are still going to try to point their fingers and say, oh, no. But I'm telling you, it's not the same. Also, another fun little fact is that the Optimus bot that Tesla has been working on, their goal is actually to start deliveries of these robots at the end of 2025, pretty much just like the new generation vehicle that they will be coming out with, which should be around $25,000 for their new vehicle that they make, give or take. But still, regardless, like, they just started making the Optimus like 2 years ago, the bot, and they're already their goal is to start delivering next year, by the end of next year, these brand new robots to companies, and also the brand new cars. So 2025 is going to be a massive leap for Tesla with introducing new technology to the world. And a last piece of information, it says here that Elon Musk generally, believes that the Chinese EV companies are the most competitive in the world. And if there are not trade barriers established, they will pretty much demolish all other car companies in the world. They are extremely good. These are words from Elon Musk saying that the Chinese EV competitors have a very good possibility of demolishing all other car companies. I mean, whether it be true or not, these are some pretty big words to be said, and that is a lot of information to withhold. So anyhow, you guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll continue to update you on information about what's happening in the automobile industry and what Tesla is doing next.